What up, tube? Today is Friday, May 3rd. Start of a new month, guys. Finally got a day off yesterday. Yesterday was Thursday. It's normally a work day for me, but man, I've gone so many days straight, dudes. I needed a day off. You know, when you cut hair so many days straight like that, it takes a toll on you, man. Not even lying, just, you know, haircuts get on your mind and you don't even want to think about haircuts. And when I left there Wednesday was so busy. It was just me and Tone, and we were slam busy all day long. I mean, it was like a regular day for 4 people. There was only 2 of us. So I picked up most of the slack on that day. So I was super busy. So when I left there on Wednesday, I was super tired. I mean, like, I was just fed up with haircuts. Fed up with everything just in general, you know? Frustrated, and it gets like that. You know, sometimes you need to put them on my seatbelt, Henry. Thank you, bro, for the reminder. Yeah, it gets crazy like that, guys. It gets hectic, you know, and I was just mentally exhausted, and so I woke up Thursday and I was like, nah, I'm not gonna go to work. You know, we're a little short-handed still. We only had 3 people there yesterday, but I let them handle it. The boys handled it. They got back from Vegas. Tone was there, so the 3 of them, my 3 main guys, they handled it. No problem. So yesterday I took the day off, and me and my lady hung out at the house all day, and then, you know, in the afternoon we took off, went and had lunch at San Pedro. So I posted the vlog up today. I don't know if you guys checked it out. It had nothing to do with barbering. It had to do with relaxing and enjoying my day off. But so we're headed to the shop right now, and let's see what we can get into. Today's Friday. Today should be busy. We expect a busy weekend at our shop this week because, for one thing, the Azusa Pacific University is graduating their students this weekend, so we expect a lot of them coming by for haircuts. Plus, it's also Cinco de Mayo, so Cinco de Mayo is one of those party days where everybody goes out and barbecues and has drinks on Saturday night. So Saturday night's fight night, so I expect it to be extremely busy. So with that, I'm gonna head to the shop. Let's see what we get into today, all right, guys? Everybody have a good day. Grind on, all right? Grind on. If you ain't up right now, you screwing up. Just remember that shit. Get your ass up. Get to work. Great start to this morning, guys. We've been extremely busy at the barbershop. You know, we got a full crew today, so which is nice. We're all here. There's 5 of us working, so it's we've been staying busy. Hope everybody's having a good day today. Grind on. Let's make some money. Today, I kind of want to talk to you guys a little bit about the summertime is coming. So, with the summer coming, you know, I don't know about where you guys work at, but here at our shop, it slows down a little bit. You know, because you guys gotta remember, in the barber business, summertime's, well, here where I'm at, it slows down just a little bit. For one thing, here by my shop, we're by the university. So when you're by the university students, they come here from other states, cities, you know, there's dorms here. So come May, the first week of May, they end up leaving for the summer. So when they're gone, it slows down just a little tad bit for us. But that's where I gotta pick it up. And this is where I'm coming in with today's segment on, you know, you gotta get out there, and you know, when it's slow, you don't sit around and just wait for customers. If it's slow at your shop, and you gotta pump out customers, you gotta bring people in, you know. And there's just several ways of doing that. And one of the ways that I like to do it is I like to do Facebook ads, you know. And I don't know if you guys ever noticed on Facebook, I know Facebook is not the best thing, but it is really good for barbering, guys, because when you're on barbering, what you can do is, this is what I do. Just a quick run by of how I do it. But what I do is I join a lot of yard sale groups, which, you know, a lot of yard sale groups, they have up to 10,000 people on them, you know. So that's 10,000 people that are gonna see your stuff when you post something on there, and especially if they have their notifications on. So if they have their notification on the yard sales, which a lot of people do, you know, whenever you post something up, they're gonna see that. So me, instead of selling stuff, which I hardly ever do on there, what I do is I post pictures of haircuts. Or even now, lately, I've been, you know, because it's not about pictures anymore, guys. It's about video nowadays. You know, people want to see video of your haircuts, not pictures of your haircut. You know, a picture can be photoshopped and can be changed around and made to look different ways. You know, where video, you can't really do that. You know, you post up a video of one of your haircuts, it's gonna show your authenticity of your work. You know, it's gonna show what you're doing there. You know, so lately, what I've been doing is I do little hyperlapse videos with of a haircut. I'll put my phone in front and I'll do it. Most phones have them nowadays. It's called hyperlapse. If you look on your when you pull up your camera, you can switch it in different forms of shooting. The hyperlapse, what it does is it makes a video. So if a haircut's 30 minutes long, it'll make the video 7 minutes long. You know, it'll speed it up for you, slow down, speed it up, slow it down. And what I do, that 7 minutes, I still shorten that video up. I shorten it down to 1 minute or 1.5 minutes. And then I add a little bit of music to it and put a little tag at the end of it. It shows where my shop is. And then I post it up on those yard sale sites. And bam, you get people, you know. People, you post a video of you cutting a young child that, you know, because most people have problems with young kids. You know, if you post a picture of a video of you cutting a young kid's hair, guess what? People are going to see that and they're going to say, like, hey, this guy's good with kids, you know. And it's one way of marketing yourself, you know. You show yourself doing your skills, and guess what? People are going to say, like, okay, he's a professional. He knows how to handle these types of situations. You know how to handle, you know, unruly little kids that don't want to get haircuts. You got to put yourself out there, people. You got to show what you're doing, you know. And one way of showing your skills is doing it on video, guys. Better than pictures. Remember that. Video is king over pictures. It's not about pictures anymore. It used to be about pictures, but now it's all about video. So that's where we stand with that.
Sea noise on the track.